Hey, Ade Nana. This is 2017 Navajo lesson, Navajo 1, lesson 1. Aho ojit ego, pass off. This is what you'll pass off as part of our class. After you, so this is what we created. This is what we created in our class. And this is the questions that we did. Again, we did one on the positive side. As you remembered, Aho ojit ego has two parts. And each lesson has two parts. And so let's look at the kind of what we call a protection way, or engage, or the kind of a don't way. Kind of the negative way. Okay, so what happens if it's a negative way? Joe, ape at ego, apenako, e niti ne he. What does that mean? Because Joe, the way he is, he usually has a hard time getting up. Joe, ape at ego, apenego, e nidi nehle. So that's what you're going to pass off. You know, the way the pass off works is you have a facilitator if you're in a group in a lab. But if you're not in the lab and you're kind of at home or on your own smartphone or something, then you need to let me know so I can work with you. And if you're by yourself, we can find a grandma or somebody in your home, or you can do your own video clip or PowerPoint and with a sound thing, and you can send it to me. So let me know if you can't do a facilitator person. Okay, thank you. All right, so the next one, so this is what you need to say. You also need to read this part too. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so let's go back. Chesh means who. A, be, at ego. Apenko. E, ndi, ne, le. Okay, go back again. Chesh, a, be, a, ego. Apenko. E, ndi, ne, le. So that's a question. Saying who, because of his way, can't get up. And the answer is Joe. Abit ego. Binigo. E nidi nehle. So there's your answer. Okay. So the next one is another question. Da Joe. Abe at ego. Abinigo. E nidi nehle. Is it Joe? Is it because of Joe? Because Joe, as the way he is in the morning, he can't get up usually. And the answer is oh. Okay. So oats right here. Oh, Joe. Abet ego. Benigo. E nidi nehle. So what you'll have is you read this. I'll send you a copy of what you need to read so that you can make a copy if you want to, or you can just listen to this and then pass it out to somebody. Okay, here we go. On the positive side, Sally. Abet ego. Been done. Been done. Okay. Nadina. Nadina. Because because the way she is, Sally gets up early in the morning. Okay, so that's a positive way, helping herself. Okay, so I'll do another video clip where we'll actually tell you about these symbols. I call it sound symbol, and then you also read by syllables, and so there'll be another 5-minute clip that's just dealing with sound symbol based on this lesson. Okay, so right now we're just trying to find a pattern for asking a question and then how to answer a question. So heish abet ego ah benda nadina, who, because of the way they are, wakes up early in the morning, wakes up early in the morning. And the answer is Sally abet ego benda nadina. Okay, and then next question. That Sally abet ego. It is because Sally, the way she is, benda nadina. And then the answer is yes. Oh, yes. Sally abet ego benda nadina. Okay, so that's the you'll when you pass off, you'll read all this all the way up to here. You pass it off to a facilitator. You can read it and send it to me, or you can pass it off to a parent, well, somebody that speaks Navajo fluently. Okay, and they're not trying to correct you. They're just I want them to just listen to you. That's all. You're not supposed to correct you or anything unless you want them to. But it mainly is just to have you read. Okay, and so you'll practice it in class, but then you have this pass off. Okay, thanks.